Today we're having fascias removed. They already removed one over there, and it's right here. Yeah, folks, you need to get termite inspection every 1 or 2 years. Look at this, how bad this fascia is. It's pretty bad. And these are the new fascias and the wood trim we're gonna be putting on. I think there are 5 fascias and maybe 3 trims that we're gonna be put on. We already these fascias are specialized. These are actually the best fascia. They came pre-primer already, so the guy just painted it with the paint that I supply. Same with here, we primer it first and then we paint it. So now I'm gonna take out this one here. It's a lot of work. It's pretty long. Oh, termite, yeah. Yeah, it's pretty bad. The trim is so bad now. Look at that. Wow. There's a hole there. Went into a fascia. Wow. How about the other fascia is okay?
This one? Yeah, this is good. The only bad one is this.
Okay. So this is another fascia.
Con confianza, no pedo.
Yeah, it's a termite damage a bit here. Not too bad, but I'm really blessing it.
¿Tres de cabeza?
Yeah, this is the trim.
Yeah, it's termite.
Yep. Putting another fascia in the back, they have to remove tiles. Not easy, it's pretty high up here. Need like 3 people here, I guess. Oh, yeah, the magnet. They're tied to light it up. That's the tricky part.
Si la puedes levantar, ándale, levántala. Clávela ahí donde está. Ahí donde está clavela. Levántale 2, tenga mucho cuidado con las cadenas. Ya la amarraste, ya la puedo.
Putting the ties back on the ridge.
la agarro.
Porque no tiene la charla.
Ok, carga.
Okay. Okay, more loose. Maybe a little screw. There's some screw over there, huh?
Ya.
Oh, you have to cut.
Levántala. 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 Así. Ahí está.
Gonna cut.
Agárrale.
No, dale,
Se va a caer sola.
dale. ¿Ya?
No, qué chingado.
Espérame, ahí la abajo si quieres. Dígame.
Maybe a screw, huh? Yeah.
Ya.
One screw.
Tú.
Caulking there. Oh, not caulking, but the primer.
¿Te quedó?
Ya. ¿Sabes? Usted ahí primero para yo poder jugar esta bien.
¿La puedes bajar?
Sí, sí.
Bájala. Bájala.
Usted ciérrela ya primero. Que la otra es la de él.
El problema es que aquí lleva ángulo. Ya.
Mire,
Lleva ángulo.
y si la subo, si la subimos de ahí ahorita como aquella.
No,
A ver,
a ver.
¿no quiere para arriba?
No. Es ángulo.
Ah, Dios.
No, pero...
New fascia installing.
Son los plazos que le dio, lo regulearon la jodida.
Then they're gonna put the ties back here on the ridge.
Ya está.
Gotta be careful not to hammer too far. You're gonna break the tile.